Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor and the non-teaching vacancies from the multiple colleges, and here the vacancies are announced from the multiple departments, and here the opportunities are there for the only graduates or only postgraduates or PG plus UG Senate or the PhD. So for all these different qualified candidates, here the opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications or else the non-teaching job notifications in this pandemic situation. So this video will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different recruitment notifications from the multiple colleges. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I am conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGSNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the multiple colleges, here we are going to see the first one is the Kristu Jayanti College, Autonomous College from Bangalore. Here the applications are invited for the positions of professor and assistant professor in the departments of Commerce, Management, Statistics, English, Sociology, Computer Science, Forensic Science, Biotechnology, Social Work, Political Science, Psychology, Counseling Psychology, History, Journalism, Visual Communication and Law. Fine. And as per the qualification, as per the university and AICTE norms, PhD or the NET qualification will be preferred. So preferred means even though if you are having only post graduation in these departments, then no problem, guys, you can apply for this one. And apart from that, these teaching positions, here the office staff, system administrator, librarian, lab technician in physics, biology, electronics required. And you have to apply within 7 days from the date of this publication to the principal at the below address, or else you may send your resume to the provide mail ID here. Okay, you may check down the telephone number as well as the mail ID, career@kristujayanti.com. Fine. And coming to the next college is Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth from Pune. So here the appointments are required for the positions of associate as well as assistant professor in the biotechnology, bioinformatics. Okay, eligibility criteria and other details along with the application form are available in the website itself. Okay, so you may check down, guys. And the prescribed format application you need to send to the registrar Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, okay, Pune, should reach the office within 15 days from the date of this publication. So here the official website ID is also there, and here the mail ID as well as the telephone numbers are also there. If you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this numbers or else through the mail ID, guys. And coming to the next one is Bharati Vidyapeeth. So it requires the Fine Arts Department, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor. So in the Assistant Professor category, total 5 different vacancies are there, and applications has to be filled up in the Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Fine Arts, Pune. So it is affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So for more details and information, you may visit the official website of this college. Okay, and you have to apply through the college website only. And after applying through the college website, you have to send the hard copy to the download application form. And you have to fill the duly filled in and attested Xerox copies of all certificates to this mentioned ID. That means you have to apply through the college website, and after sending through the college website, take down the printout of your application form and attestation Xerox copies. All these things you have to send to this provided address, okay, by post or else courier. And coming to the next one is Bhagwant University, Ajmer. So here the vacancies are there from the for the Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Deputy Registrar, Director, Assistant Associate and Professor in the B.Ed, B.Pharma, Mining, Computer Science Engineering, MBA, LLB, BPT, English, Hindi, Political Science, qualification and experience as per the UGC norms. Whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send your resume within 7 days with the copy of certificates and experience letter, Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, salary expected also you have to mail to the hr.bhagwant@gmail.com, and one more mail ID is also provided. Approximate time to join must be mentioned in the resume also. Retired persons can also apply for this one. And here the contact number is also provided, so you may check out, guys. And coming to the next one is the Charity Trust, Assam Downtown University. So here the different positions are mentioned here, and the physical interviews will be held in the Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Chennai. And regarding this one, I will do one separate video. Okay, but if you are interested right now in this one, you may go through the official website of this one. But because here in this paper advertisement, the subjects are not mentioned here. Okay, so you may check down through its official website only. And coming to the next one is Nagindas Khandwala College of Commerce, Arts and Management Studies. And here the Information Technology or Computer Science, 2 vacancies are there. Qualification for the post of assistant professor as per the UGC and University of Mumbai norms time to time. And the candidates with the following specifications will be preferred. Applications with full details should be sent to the principal on email ID hr@nkc.ac.in within 7 days from the date of the publication of this one. And coming to the next one is SBIT, Sri Balwant Institute of Technology. So here the Director, Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor in the Departments of Computers, Information Technology, Electronics, Electrical, Mechanical, MBA, BBA, MCA, BCA, English, UHV, Chemistry, Physics, Biology, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, IoT, Cloud Computing are there. And non-teaching vacancies are also there, that is administrative vacancies. So Administrative Officer, Librarian, Lab Technician, System Administrator, Receptionist, Clerk, Marketing Manager, PHE Accountant, Workshop, Instructor, Hostel Warden and Housekeeping Supervisor. Okay, so interested candidates may send your CV or the resume within 7 days to the provide mail ID, that is careers@sbit@gmail.com. Okay, and coming to the next one is School of Engineering and Technology, affiliated to MD University, Rohtak. So here the mail ID is also provided. And coming to the departments of Mechanical, Civil, Electrical, Electronics, Computers, MBA, Maths, English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, BC and BBA. The number of vacancies are also mentioned here. Apart from this one, the registered one, Librarian, Clerk cum Typist, Technical Assistant and Office Assistant cum Accountant also required. Qualifications, pay scales, each and everything as per the ACT, UGC, state government norms. And the application form is available in the college website itself. So you have to download that one, or else you can obtain from the college website itself, in the college campus on the working day. So you have to fill up that one along with the copy of testimonials and experience certificates. All these things you have to send within 24 days from the date of the publication of this advertisement. And here the address is also mentioned, or else you may email also. So here the email is hr@gangatechnicalcampus.com. Okay. A copy of application also must be sent to the DC MD University Rohtak. So post can be increased or decreased at the time of interview as per the requirement. Coming to the next one is MIT Group of Institutions from Lucknow. Here applications are invited for the following positions: for Director MBA, Architecture, Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor in the departments of Civil, Computers, Electronics, Electrical, Mechanical, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, English, Architecture, Pharmacy and Management. And the Registered Assistant Training and Placement Officer, Telecallers and Admission Counselors also required. And qualification salary as per the ACT, COA and PCI norms. So you have to apply clearly mentioning the post to hr@mit moradabad.edu.in within 15 days from the date of the publication of this one. Okay, so total these are the different vacancies, guys, from the multiple colleges. Here the huge number of departments are covered here, so you please check out, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, please mention your subject in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET. Here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and a general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,